This video will brief you about method of using Thicken tool in Creo. So let's begin. Well, Thicken tool offsets in both directions of sketch as compared to offset tool. Let's try this from sketch tab, sketching panel and Thicken. Well, single chain and loop works like offset. Let's see how end caps work. Let's try single thicken with open end caps. Select the given line for reference. Here define the total distance between first and second offset on both sides of a reference sketch. Let's try 4 units. Now define the distance between reference sketch and offset object in arrow direction. Let's try 2 units. This is single thicken with open end caps. Let's try single thicken with flat end caps. Select the reference line and define distance between both offsets of 4 units and offset in arrow direction of 2 units. You see the ends of line are joined with straight lines to the ends of offset lines. Let's try single thicken with circular end caps. Select reference line. Define distance between offsets of 4 and offset distance in arrow direction of 2 units. This is single offset with circular end caps. Let's try chain thicken on this chain of lines. Select chain thicken and open end caps. Select starting and ending line of given chain. Now define distance between both offsets of 2 units and offset distance in arrow direction of 1 units. This is chain thicken with open end caps. Let's try chain thicken with flat end caps. Select the end lines of reference chain and offset values of 2 and 1 units. Now you see the ends of offset lines are joined with straight line. This is chain thicken with flat end caps. Let's try chain thicken with circular end caps. Select the end lines of chain and define offset values of 2 and 1 units. This is chain thicken with circular end caps. Let's try a rectangle for loop thicken. As loops have no open ends, so there is no utilization of end caps here. Let's try loop thicken and no need of end caps. Select the reference loop and define offset values of 2 and 1 units. This is loop thicken. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more informative videos.